KDF-55 is a copper-zinc alloy similar to brass that is specifically engineered for water treatment.
It's designed to reduce heavy metals and chlorine and to help control bacterial growth inside your showerhead. When contaminated water comes into contact with KDF-55, it triggers a chemical process called redox, short for oxidation reduction. In this reaction, electrons are transferred between substances, changing their chemical structure and transforming harmful impurities into less harmful forms.
Chlorine in water is measured in parts per million, or ppm, which is equal to milligrams of chlorine per liter of water. The Environmental Protection Agency allows up to 4 parts per million in tap water nationwide. This is about the same as a chlorinated swimming pool.
While our tap water here in the Seattle area typically contains less than 1 part per million, we know the amount can vary a lot depending on where you live.
Here's a quick experiment to show you how KDF-55 works to remove chlorine in real time.
In order to show how effective KDF-55 really is at removing even higher concentrations of chlorine, we've added a little extra chlorine to our pitcher of water for this experiment.
To start, we will pour our chlorinated water into 2 glasses. The first glass will contain the water unchanged from the pitcher. The second glass will contain water that has been run through a bed of KDF-55.
We'll use chlorine test droplets to give us a visual indication of the amount of chlorine in each glass of water. These droplets work by turning the water yellow when chlorine is present. This is the result of a chemical reaction between the chlorine and the droplets, so a higher concentration of chlorine leads to a darker shade of yellow. As you can see, the water in the unfiltered glass immediately turned a bright yellow color, while there was very little change in the color of the filtered water, meaning that nearly all of the chlorine was removed by the KDF-55.